My name is Rodolfo Cereceres. I'm from El Paso, and this is my second time taking the course. I took the basic one and I'm taking now the core one. When I took the first course, it was actually very helpful to gain your confidence to start placing implants. But I feel like with core one, it helped you get the speed and to get more complex cases, and even when it comes to treatment planning, more complicated cases. So a lot of these cases require more preparation. It's not only just placing single implants, but to actually work to plan hybrids or even bar over dentures. So a lot of times you're required to take a CVCT to plan the case, and a lot of procedures taken into not only the design, but the actual, process in the finish in each case. So I feel the value that you get from repetition is gaining more confidence, and I feel the more you place implants, the more you practice, not only are you going to get faster, but you're going to get better, and you're going to be more confident with even the more complicated cases. Before the course, I did place about 1 or 2 implants. So I feel like over, from the first course to now, I can say I placed about 200 implants in about a year. And I think that's just the little bit of the gain that you get, but as you keep doing more and more, you keep getting more confident. So that's why core one and the next courses are valuable, because it keeps building up one after the other. I feel like every course that you take, whether it's core one or core one plus, they all, they all stack one after the other. So if you take one, then it gives you the skills to get better on the next one, and you just keep getting more advanced. So I feel it's in a way helpful to take them in order.